Hello everyone, this is Sean here, and in this video I'll be filming the modernized Hitachi elevator at Cuppage Plaza. Let's call the elevator.
Going up.
The interior looks rather bright.
Doors are closing.
Let's go to 6.
Fifth story. Doors are closing. Sixth story. Going down. Doors are closing. Basement 2.
Let's take a look at the leveling of this elevator.
Doors are closing. Fifth story. Doors are closing. Basement 2. Doors are closing. Going up. Doors are closing.
And that is the end of my video. Have an awesome day, evening or night. Bye everyone.